Good morning and welcome. It's Gilly Cube. I'm here in Queensland, Australia, in my art room today and in the zone. I was just painting with no talking at the actual day I was painting, so I'm doing a voiceover, and I just thoroughly enjoyed it. It was certainly my art therapy day. And these little oval canvases are proving to be really nice little additions to gift or give away. And providing this one does turn out quite nice, I'm hopefully going to give it away to one of you guys. So we'll see how it dries and how I finish it off. It might be a disaster, might it? But anyway, I've put in these colours down, and I'm literally, that colour there is the turquoise, and it has only Australian floral in it. As you see, I've got a little fly in for the journey. But yeah, so that's to give me some cells through this idea that I've got in my head again for this. It was sort of these beautiful colours that I thought would work really well together. So let's see how we go with this. That's a soft plastic file divider I'm using there to do that swipe, and I always find they're just perfect because you can, as you see, I'm just scraping off the excess paint, but they can be washed afterwards and reused many times. So this is going to be the base for my kind of tropical Hawaii or blue Hawaii. If you see, I'm trying to get like an oceany effect on the one side, and with the cells, just something different, seeing how it all comes together. But give it a whiz over with the heat wand. That will burst any air bubbles and help the paint absorb into the canvas. So I'm going to do my beautiful little blue Hawaiian bloom. So let's see how these go. Now for my little stainless steel straw with the bendy end. Just get them from the local discount shop, but I just find they're perfect for blowing out these floral effects. I'm loving those colours in there. They're turning out really nice. Now I use that balloon that is really quite brittle, and I found that it took too much paint off. So I'm getting my other little balloon that's a softer bottom and try that one. I think it might need a little bit more paint added in the centre when I kiss with the balloon again. So look at these gorgeous little floating blooms coming up. So my blue Hawaiian, they are really beautiful colours. They were so shimmery and lovely colours. I was happy with my colour selection for this one. I really was. So this is just so therapeutic to me, and I know if you've never tried it before, give it a go, or if you have tried it, you will know that it's enjoyable to do. They turn out beautiful as long as you have your paint mixed with your pouring medium at the correct consistency, then you will get lovely results. So as I said, I'm going back over the centres. I want a darker centre in there to really make it pop. But it was just really enjoyable to do, and it's coming along just beautifully, I think. So these, yeah, are really lovely little gifts to give instead of Christmas cards, or you know, a little gift for someone as a thank you, or just for no reason at all, just a little gift. So I'm just sort of softening it all up and adding a few little of my own embellishments in there. And remember, you can do as much or as little as you choose. It's your art, your rules, your way. My goodness, super happy with this. I just did another little puddle there. I just thought it needed those florals joined up a little bit more, and I did another little balloon kiss at the bottom. I'm leaving this. Look at these cells. I don't know why this is blinking on my camera, maybe because I've got air conditioning on, but golden there in those cells, super duper. I'm going to actually do a darker one now on the same shape canvas and do gold cell activator and see if I can get the gold to bring up the blue. So super happy with that. If that dries beautifully, I'm going to gift that to one of my viewers. If I can post out of the country, I will. Because it's not too big, but we'll see how it dries, and yeah, be happy to know if one of my viewers would like. It's only a small piece, it's only like a gift piece, it's nothing fancy, but let's see how it dries, and I'll finish off the edges when it's dry. But yeah, love this one, super happy with it. Okay, just a little reminder to you, please take care, and if you are feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend. Do not suffer in silence. There's always someone there to help you. Take care, my lovelies. Bye for now.